Welcome to Customer Retention Strategies. In today's video, we'll explore practical methods to keep your customers coming back. Whether you're running a startup or managing an established business, retention is the key to sustainable growth and profitability. Customer retention is the percentage of customers who continue doing business with you over a specific period. It's significantly cheaper to retain existing customers than to acquire new ones. In fact, acquiring a new customer can cost 5 to 25 times more than retaining an existing one. A 5% increase in customer retention can increase profits by 25 to 95%. This makes retention one of your most valuable business metrics. When customers leave, you lose more than just revenue. You lose the lifetime value they could have generated. You also lose potential referrals and recommendations. Each lost customer represents a gap in your growth strategy. Additionally, you'll need to spend resources acquiring replacement customers. Understanding this cost helps prioritize retention efforts in your business strategy. The customer journey has 4 critical stages. First, awareness, where potential customers discover your brand. Second, consideration, where they evaluate your solution against competitors. Third, decision, where they make the purchase. Fourth, retention and advocacy, where they become loyal customers and recommend you to others. To maximize retention, you need to optimize each stage, but especially focus on delivering value after the purchase. Awareness is where your customer journey begins. Potential customers discover your brand through various channels like social media, search engines, word of mouth, or advertising. At this stage, your goal is to make a strong first impression. Clear messaging about your value proposition is essential. You want to attract the right customers who are likely to stay long-term, not just anyone with a problem. Quality over quantity matters from day one. In the consideration stage, potential customers compare your solution with competitors. They're evaluating price, features, customer reviews, and support quality. Your content should address their pain points directly. Case studies and testimonials are powerful here. Be transparent about what you offer and what you don't. Building trust during this stage significantly increases the likelihood they'll become loyal customers after purchase. The decision stage is where customers make their purchase. This is critical for retention because a smooth purchase experience sets expectations for your service. Remove friction from the buying process. Provide clear pricing, easy checkout, and immediate confirmation. Send a welcome email explaining next steps. Exceed expectations on day one, and you've already started building retention. The purchase is not the end of your journey, it's just the beginning. Retention and advocacy is the most important stage. After purchase, customers need consistent engagement and value delivery. Regular communication keeps your brand top of mind. Provide excellent support and address issues quickly. When customers are satisfied, they become advocates who recommend you to others. This stage determines your long-term profitability and growth. Focus on making your customers so happy they can't help but recommend you. To manage retention effectively, you need to track the right metrics. Customer retention rate measures the percentage of customers you keep over time. Churn rate is the opposite, showing how many customers leave. Customer lifetime value predicts total revenue from a customer. Net Promoter Score measures customer satisfaction and likelihood to recommend. Repeat purchase rate shows how often customers buy again. These metrics help you identify problems early and measure the success of your retention strategies. Measuring retention success requires consistent tracking. A 90% retention rate means 90 out of 100 customers stay with you. Monthly churn of 2% is manageable, but if it increases to 5%, you need to investigate why. A customer lifetime value of $500 with acquisition cost of $50 shows strong economics. A Net Promoter Score above 50 indicates excellent customer satisfaction. Use these numbers to benchmark your performance and identify improvement areas. Remember, retention is a journey, not a destination. Start with engagement from day one and build strong relationships. Communication builds bridges, not walls, so stay connected with your customers. Exceptional experience is non-negotiable if you want customers to stay. Strong relationships create advocates who promote your business naturally. Focus on value delivery, and your customers will choose to stay. Thank you for learning about customer retention strategies.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.